But we just prevented death instead of doing the challenges. Grr.
Lightning, we appreciate your service. You will be missed.
This is not fair.
Two, put a stop to this already!
Why did we do this? Why did we make our team about preventing death when we keep losing? 3 of us are already out. We're getting ourselves eliminated from this nonsense.
It's a noble cause.
Yeah, you can say that because you didn't just get out. I'm, so angry. Grr. I'm so mad I could just explode.
Lightning, please, calm down! I know you're frustrated, but this isn't you.